This video covers the unboxing, installation, and setup of the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. Unboxing. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro is a smart security camera with built-in motion-activated lights. It provides high-definition video to help you see clearly, even at night. The camera has advanced motion detection and alerts you through the Ring app when someone is nearby. It also features two-way audio, so you can hear and speak to visitors from your phone. The floodlights automatically turn on when motion is detected, adding extra security to your home. It connects to your Wi-Fi and is controlled through the Ring app. This camera is hardwired and is best installed by someone familiar with electrical work. What's inside the box? Inside the box are Floodlight Cam Wired Pro, plastic mounting plate, metal mounting bracket, screwdriver, bag of screws, 3 wire nuts, 3 hex cap nuts, setup guide, important product information, and window decal. Disclaimer. This do-it-yourself guide explains how to install a Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. If you are unsure about any part of the instructions or do not have experience with electrical wiring, it is strongly recommended to contact a licensed electrician. How to install. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker before starting any work. Remove the existing floodlight. Disconnect all wires and remove any mounting plate or metal bracket. Install the new floodlight. Attach the metal mounting bracket to the wall. Gently pull the plastic mounting plate attached to the new floodlight. Make sure the up arrow is pointing up when installing the plate on the wall. Secure the plastic mounting plate with the screws provided. Hang the Floodlight Cam Wired Pro using the nylon strap at the back of the floodlight. Hook the strap over the hook on the mounting plate. Connect the wires. Green wire, ground, from the floodlight to the bare copper wire in the junction box. White wire, neutral, from the floodlight to the white wire in the junction box. Black wire, hot, from the floodlight to the black wire in the junction box. Use the wire nuts provided to secure the connections. Tuck the wires neatly into the junction box. Mount the floodlight. Align the 2 holes on the floodlight with the threaded posts on the plastic mounting plate. Carefully slide the fixture into place and push firmly. Secure the floodlight using the 2 hex cap nuts. Tighten them with the screwdriver provided. Adjust the light. And rotate camera. Remove the plastic covers from the camera. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. The red light of the camera will flash, indicating it is in setup mode. Set up the device in the Ring app. Download the Ring app. Create or log in to your Ring account. Tap Set up a device. Select Security Cams. Tap I'm ready to scan and scan the QR code on the device. A green square will appear when the QR code is successfully scanned. Once the device is detected, follow the on-screen instructions in the app to complete the setup. For more details, refer to the setup guide included in the box or visit the official website.